How to create a repeating star pattern design like this in Affinity Photo. Go to the File menu and create New Document and go for 2000 and 2000 and also make certain that it's a transparent background and then click Create. With that, go over here to the Star tool. It's beneath the rectangle tool, so Star tool and apply it. Now I'm applying it currently obviously with white, but you can change the colour. You can always go up here and click here and set it to blue, green, whatever. Doesn't matter because I'm going to change it later with adjustments. So got this design now. It's a vector design, 2000 by 2000, and it's got transparent background. Then I can go to File and Export. I'm going with PNG 2000 whole document and export. I'm going to save it to a file star1.png, which I've currently got, so replacing that one. And now I can actually create the design. Go to the Layer menu and New Fill Layer. With that, you've got this type as well as fill set in there. Go with not solid, but bitmap. So select bitmap. And then you can select the file. That's the one with the star. So select that and open. And now you get a very, very small star. And you can move this around, rotate it, resize it, and much, much more. And you can see it over here as a fill layer. However, what you can also do is you can duplicate this fill layer. So I'm just going to go over here, layer and duplicate. So I want another one. I could, of course, create just another fill layer. So I've got two fill layers now, and I can reposition this one. So I can move it over here. So I've now got obviously the blue one and the blue one still. However, I want to change the colour. So how do I do that? Select the top layer and then go right click and group. So group, so it becomes a group. You can also do the other fill layer if you want as a group as well. Now go to Layer and New Adjustment Layer, and I'm going to go with HSL. So HSL, and I can now recolor. However, you'll notice what happens. All of it changes, which is not what I want. So I'm just going to close that panel now. I can go back to it at any time because the reason is it's on top of the existing designs. Now, just select it and then just drag it and drag it onto the group. Make certain it just goes in that middle bit there for the group. And now it will change the color for that fill. If you did the same and just put it to the fill, it wouldn't change it. It's not unfortunately how it works. It needs to be with the group. So associated with the group. And now what you can do, exactly the same as before, you can select the fill layer at any time. And with the gradient tool over here, you can resize it, reposition it, move it around, just angle it, and much, much more. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear. Thank you much.